Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to download Thread app in Android. Why would you want to know how to download Thread app in Android? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to download Thread app in Android. So today I am going to show you how to download Thread app in Android. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Downloading Thread app in Android is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for any Android devices. Let me show how you will download Thread app in Android. First of all, open Google Play Store app in your device, and now here is my Google Play Store home screen. And then first click on search option in the top of this screen, and now enter Thread and then search it. And open this Threads and Instagram app, and now you can download this app in your device. I have already downloaded it, so there you go. If you were wondering how to download Threads app in Android, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.